As a child, my mum was amazing and she never thought there was anything I couldn't do. And I think that has carried me through. I'm not sure if I've ever moved beyond that kind of early childhood sense of asking why. One of the things I always tell my doctoral students is that they have to have the word why either in big letters somewhere on a whiteboard or on a post-it note on their laptop. I kind of really believe in that idea of we support one another. For me, one of the real kind of highlights has been being in a position to be able to be a mentor and feeling like you did help support other people's careers and then watching them go on to be promoted. That's really nice, feeling like maybe you had an input in some of that a little bit. It's really hard to say what has it been like to be a disabled academic or a visually impaired academic, because I don't know what it would be like not to be one. I'm totally blind. I was born with some sight but basically never had full vision, so I've never really been able to see fully or properly. Now I don't see anything at all. When I teach, I'm very upfront with the students and I go in and I say, look, I don't see, so if you want to ask a question in class, which I really encourage, you need to speak. And actually that's been a kind of advantage, I think, in terms of encouraging student participation. The people I work with, both in the university and the wider kind of research community that I'm part of, I think now they see me as an academic first and then somebody who's disabled second, and sometimes that's good and sometimes that's problematic because they forget, and then you have issues about, are you remembering that to make this accessible you need to do X or Y? But I think it's those days when you realise that you're respected for what you do that makes all of the rest of it kind of worth it. This is what you want to do because you're curious, because you want to teach, because you want to research, because you want to be part of academia, then just do it. It's worth it. You can do it. There's no reason why you can't. And it's just thinking about what you need and not being scared to say what you need. And if your needs aren't being met, being able to say that too. And if you can't say it, then find somebody who's been here 20 years like me who can say it or help you say it, because we are around and there are people like me around who can help.